So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I'm going to be presenting to you another amazing tool, and this tool is going to be allowing you to create logos in less than 5 minutes. If you're even faster, you're going to be able to create logos in a single minute. So you already know, I'm sure you have already heard about AI and how AI is everywhere. Every time you're seeing new tools coming out about AI. So this is another amazing tool which is taking over the graphic design industry, and today we're going to be discovering it and seeing how to use it. So the tool is called Ideogram, and you can find it at ideogram.ai. And so this tool is basically allows us to convert our text to images. So it's a text to image tool which is going to allow you to create some amazing design. So straight away you can already see some amazing images that people from across the world have been able to create. You can see some beautiful graphics, you can see images, you can see logos, and all one not. And so all of that has been done thanks to this tool and just using simple prompts. So straight away, if you head on to this website, you're going to be presented with this interface, and you can go ahead and create your logos from here. And so I'm going to be associating this tool with ChatGPT that you can see on the right here. This is ChatGPT, and this is the tool here, and I'm going to be associating both to be able to create myself some amazing logos. And so you can use this tool to start a logo design business, a graphic design business, or even if you are working already in a company, you can make use of these tools to generate the images for your marketing and your promotional campaigns. So let's get straight away and see what this tool is and how it works. So straight away, from this prompt, you are going to be able to enter a text in image, a text in English, sorry, or in any other language that describes what you want. So it has an automatic translator which is going to convert whatever text you put in into English. So no matter which language you're using, don't worry about that. So straight away we're going to be able to put in a text, and it's going to create the image we want. So for this video, we're just going to be focusing on logos specifically, but you can use it to create whatever image you can think of. So let's say a coffee shop approaches me and they want a logo for their new coffee shop they're setting up. So all I have to do is come here and say create a logo for a coffee shop. That's basically all I have to put in here, and straight away I click on generate, and it's going to create four different versions of logos based on that prompt I have put in. So it's going to create me 4 logos for a coffee shop. And so because I specified logo, that's why it's going to focus on creating logos, but you can specify other things and you can add more context to what you're trying to do. And so in a couple of seconds, as you can see, it generates me some amazing logos. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what they look like. So you can already see here what they look like. So if you click on the images, they're going to get bigger. You can see this is an amazing logo. Because I didn't specify the name of the coffee shop, it just went ahead and created some names. So yeah, we continue to the next option. You can see here, Cup of Love. It's already an amazing logo. I'm sure a coffee shop already appreciate this name. And so let's go ahead, another logo, and as you can see, it's using different styles. It's not just using the same style through. It's using different styles for you to really pick the one you like and continue in that direction. So you see, this is it. You try to use a different name, Brew Coffee Shop. And so that's it. In just less than let me say 30 seconds or 20 seconds tops, you're able to create an amazing logo for a coffee shop. Definitely these options that are generated might not meet your requirements. They might not meet what you are looking for, and so all you need to do is just to add more context to your prompt. And so the more details you add to your prompt, the more it's going to really nail what you are going for or what you are looking for. So let's go ahead and add more context. So create a logo for a coffee shop named, let's go with chill, and let's say has a red theme, for example. So I want a logo called chill for a coffee shop, and it has the red theme across its logo. So if you go ahead and create that, Okay, so in a couple of seconds it's going to generate me the images or the options it's going to go for. And so as you can see, nailing this prompt to really find out what you are trying to go for is already a challenge in and of itself. And so now formulating again that in English is another huge challenge. And so you see, you're dealing with a lot of complexities because you're trying to nail the perfect logo or what you have in mind. And so that's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is going to help translate our rough ideas and put them into some comprehensible English words that we can now feed into Ideogram AI to generate the amazing logo. So as you can see, it generated some amazing logo, chill, and it put a little cup there for coffee. Then you have the next chill. You put a cup now for coffee with a heart, you see. And so chill, this simple one. So you see already from here you have some very amazing logos. Right up from here I already see something that I might use, I already like. And so from here you see that it's able to generate amazing logos. But just this option it has provided for me, I find them very uninspiring, very bland, or very flat. I want it to be more creative. And so what do? I just go back to the prompt and add some more context, like make it creative. Right, so let's not just use some random images, but let's try to get more creative with it. So when you go ahead, you click on generate, and it's going to give you more options. Keep in mind you can always change the sizes of the images it generates. Right here I selected the squared size 1:1, but you can go ahead and choose some different ratios. I'm going to show you that in a minute once it gets done. So here you go. This way you can change the proportion, the ratio, the aspect ratio of the image. So here you have the different options. Some are still locked because you have to upgrade to the premium version to have them. So right away you see it has generated some images already. So you can see here chill. You try to combine the chili and the coffee since it's a coffee shop. But the word chill refers to, he confused the word chill with chili. So this chili here that I try to put in as well into the logo. So we have some other options. Chill, we went to something way more creative, way more focused, way more bold. And you can see it's trying its best to be way more creative. Okay, so this one is still very flat. And then the final option, we have chill. We went to something with way more creativity into it. So here you have it. This is how you can create a logo in less than 5 minutes using this amazing tool. So definitely in subsequent videos we're going to be exploring it even in depth, but straight away you can use this to create yourself an amazing logo and really get the ideas out of your head. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.